Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 34th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we're going to see how we can create a navigation bar using CSS and HTML. So for this tutorial I've created a file called navigation.html, and in this file you can see that within the style section I have applied a bunch of rules to unordered lists, list elements, as well as the anchor element. So first, let's check out the rules that we've applied to the UL element. I have changed the background color to orange and the position is fixed. I have a margin of 350 pixels from the left, and then the list style type is none. We are just keeping things simple. For the LI element or the list item element, I have changed the font size to 20 points. The width is 60 pixels so that each element within the navigation bar has a uniform width, and then the padding is 10 pixels. We want to see some gap between the different list items, and the display is in line, so they're not going to be displayed vertically, they're going to be displayed on a single line horizontally. And for the anchor element, I have applied the color property. I've changed the color to black. I mean, that is the default color. You could change the color if you want to, and then the width is 60 pixels, right? So within the body section, I have an unordered list, and these are the four links or tabs that you would see in most websites: home, about us, services we offer, and contact us. And that's why I have these as my list items. And when you would click on any of these, you would be redirected to google.com, right? So that's why I have used the anchor element here, and I've used the href attribute. I've given it the value http://www.google.com. So when you would see this page in your browser, this is how it would look. So I have home, about us, services we offer, and contact us. And this is quite dull, and since I do not have anything else on the website, it's looking quite odd. And the background is orange whereas the rest of the page is white, so that's making it look even more odd. But this was just to give you an idea that this is how you can create navigation bars for your website. If you're using a template, then you would probably have the navigation bar built for you already, but you should know that you can tweak it. If you know CSS, then you can change the properties, you could change where they redirect to, or if you want to see a different font style for your navigation bar or a different font size, then you can use CSS and you can get those effects. So if you would click on any of these, if I would click on home, I would be redirected to google.com. Let me get back to my page. If I would click on about us, I would again be redirected to Google. So this is how you can create a navigation bar, and I hope you guys had fun watching this video. You may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and thanks for watching this one. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Till then, take care.